Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Virtual Project Fab. We, the students of 8th semester Mechanical Engineering Department, of SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology. Our project ID is 127345, and the topic of our project is analysis of metal matrix composite using gunmetal. Our project is guided by Mr. Satish Verma sir, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department. Abstract. First, I will tell the composition of gunmetal. So it contains 88% of copper, 8 to 10% of tin, and 2 to 4% of zinc. It was primarily used for making guns, but nowadays it is used for hydraulic fittings, gears, bearings, as it is easy to cast. But due to high speed application, there is wearing in the components. So our prime target for is to improve the surface hardness of gunmetal using titanium as composite material. Introduction. Metal matrix composite is material with at least two constituent parts, one being metal necessarily and the other material may be different metal or another material. So now I will hand over to Dakshish Chauhan for further explanation.
Thank you, Mihir. Now I am going to discuss about comparison of simple gunmetal versus composite gunmetal. So in simple gunmetal, the surface low surface hardness and low corrosion resistance. So adding up titanium. So in composite gunmetal, gunmetal corrosion resistance and surface hardness is increased due to adding titanium. And our 2D and 3D design are shown in figure. Our 2D and 3D design is so simple as we make a cylinder type casting product as shown in figure. Objective: we are going to fabricate metal matrix composite using gunmetal. So in this we have used gunmetal as base material. After making the composite, we are going to take surface images with scanning electronic microscope, and after that we are going to find surface hardness of a composite specimen. Thank you. Now I hand over to Dalin Devi.
Thank you, Dakshish. Now I am going to talk about the advantages and conclusion of our project. Firstly, advantages. To increase the surface hardness, we are adding titanium to the base metal, gunmetal, which increases the surface hardness of the metal. And next advantage is to optimize the cost. We are adding in small proportion of titanium to the gunmetal, which will increase its hardness as well as its other properties, and the cost will be less. The next property is its melting point. Titanium actually has a high melting point. So adding titanium to the gunmetal, we can increase the melting point of the composite material. Now next is corrosion resistance. Titanium is more active metal. It is less corrosive. So to increase it in gunmetal, we are adding it in gunmetal. The metal matrix formed will be highly corrosion resistant. Now our conclusion of the project is, by increasing the percentage of titanium in gunmetal, it will increase the surface hardness of the metal. And by increasing titanium, it will actually increase the cost of the metal too. So we are restricted to increase the proportion of titanium. And titanium increasing will increase the gain strength and surface hardness of the composite material also. Thank you.
Mihir,
હા
થઈ ગયું 5 મિનિટ જોઈ લે.
અલા તો હેંગ મારે છે ઉપર કોઈ રેકોર્ડિંગ બંધ કરી દે તો